Hi everyone, hope you all are good. So we're going to start with grade 5 maths. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password is provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 5 maths and click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. So we're going to start with the chapter time. The lessons we're going to cover today from the chapters are time zones, time patterns, find start and end time word problems, and elapsed times. So let's just start with the first lesson, that is time zones. Let me just write down the lesson name. Time zone. Okay. Here I am on grade 5 maths. The chapter name is time. So let's start with the let's start with the lesson, that is time zones. So let's start with the lesson. Okay. If it is 7 a.m. in the central time zone, what time is it in the eastern time zone? So here you have the time zones mentioned. The blue one is the Pacific, then the mountain, then the central, and then the eastern. Got it? So the eastern time zone is 1 hour ahead the central time zone. So okay, the eastern time zone is 1 hour ahead for of the central time zone. So in the central time zone, if it is 7 a.m., then in eastern time zone it is 8 a.m. Got it? Got it? Okay, let's do another example. If it is 4 p.m. in the Pacific time zone, what is the time in eastern time zone? Okay, here you have in the Pacific time zone you have 4 p.m. You have to calculate the time in eastern time zone. Got it? So the eastern time zone is the eastern time zone is here you have 4, 5, 6. In eastern time zone it is 7 p.m. Got it? Because it is the eastern time zone is 3 hours ahead of the Pacific time zone. Got it? So if here you have 4, then here you have 7. Got it? So in eastern time zone it is 7 p.m. Got it? Yes. Okay. The next one is if it is 2 p.m. in eastern zone, what is the time zone in? Here you have 2 p.m. Got it? Here you have 2 p.m. So what is the time? What time is it in the mountain time zone? Here you have mountain time zone is behind. Mountain time zone is 2 hours behind the eastern time zone. If in the eastern time zone it is 2 p.m., so go back 2 p.m., 2 hours back. Got it? So when you go back when you go back 2 hours back, it is 12 p.m. Got it? So it is The mountain time zone is 2 hours behind the eastern time zone. Got it? Okay, let's start with, okay, if it is 7 p.m. in the central time zone, what time is it in the mountain time zone? Okay, here you have the central time zone. Here it is. Here you have 7 p.m. What is the time zone in the mountain? You have to calculate the time zone in the mountain. So the mountain time zone is 1 hour behind the central. Got it? Yes, very good. So that would be 6 p.m. in the mountain time zone. Got it? When it is 7 at central. Very good. So it is 6 p.m. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, if it is 11 a.m. in the Eastern time zone, what time is it in the Central time zone? 11 a.m. in Eastern. Okay, here you have 11. So, what time is it in the Central time zone? So, you have to calculate the time. Central time zone is 1 hour behind the Eastern. Got it? So, it would be very good. That would be 10 a.m. Got it? So, just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, if it is 4 p.m. in the Pacific time zone, what time is it in the Eastern time zone? Okay, Pacific time zone is 4 p.m. You have to calculate the Eastern time. So the Eastern zone is 3 hours ahead. Got it? So add 3 hours to 4, so it would be then 7 p.m. Very good. That is 7 p.m. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, if it is 3 a.m. in the mountain zone, what time is it in the Eastern time zone? 3 a.m. in mountain. Here you have the mountain zone. Here you have 3 a.m. What time is it in the Eastern time zone? You have to calculate the time in Eastern. So Eastern time zone is 2 hours ahead. Got it? So it would be then 3 plus 2 is 5 a.m. Got it? The correct option is 5 a.m. So just select the correct option. Okay, the next one is, if it is 10 p.m. in the central time zone, what time it is? It is 10 p.m. in central time zone. What is the time in what time is it? Pacific is 2 hours behind than central. Got it? So subtract 2 hours, so it would be 8 p.m. Got it? So it is 8 p.m. in the center Pacific time zone. Got it? Okay, if it is 5 a.m. in the Pacific time zone, what time is it in the mountain time zone? Okay, in Pacific it is 5 a.m. You have to calculate the mountain. The mountain is 1 hour ahead than the Pacific. Got it? So it would be 6 a.m. Okay, if it is 2 a.m. in the central time zone, what time is it in the mountain time zone? So 2 a.m. in central mount. So the mountain time zone is 1 hour behind the central. Got it? So in the central it would be then 1 a.m. Yes, very good. That would be 1 a.m. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, if it is 7 a.m. in the central time zone, what time is it in the eastern time zone? 7 in central. You have to calculate eastern. Eastern is 1 hour ahead than the central, so it would be 8 a.m. in the eastern. Got it? Okay, if it is 2 p.m. in the eastern time zone, what time is it in the mountain zone? So mountain zone is 2 hours behind the Eastern. Got it? So in the Eastern, it would be then 12. Mountain, it would be then 12. Got it? You have to go back 2 years, 2 hours. Got it? Okay. If it is 1 a.m. in the Pacific time zone, what time is it in the Eastern time zone? In Pacific, it is 1. So Eastern is 3 hour ahead than the Pacific. So it would be then 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 a.m. it is. Got it? Okay. We have done with the test. Let's just move on to the next topic. Got it? The next topic is time patterns. Got it? Let's just start with the lesson that is okay. Fill in the missing time. 4:30, then the missing time, then 3:30, 5, and then 5:30. Basically, you have to look at the pattern. Got it? Just look from here: 4:30, 5, 5:30. Got it? So that means each time is 30 minutes more than the previous one. Got it? So you have to go back to 4:30, then you have to subtract 30 minutes. It would be then 4. Got it? That means the missing time is 4. Got it? Okay, just look at the next one. Fill in the missing time. Okay, just look at the time. Each next time is 15 minutes later than the previous one. Got it? You have to calculate the time that is before the one. So that means the time is 15 minutes earlier. So you have to subtract the 15 minute out of 1. It would be then 12:45. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Fill in the missing time. 10, 10:45, then the missing time. Okay, just look at the pattern. From 10 to 10:45, the next time is 45 minutes ahead. Got it? That means the next one is add 45 minutes. Got it? So 10:45 and add 45 minutes. So it would be 11:30. Very good. So the missing time is 11:30. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, fill in the missing time. So just look for the pattern in the time. Each next time is 15 minutes ahead than the previous one. Got it? So then the next one from 9:30 is just add 15 minutes. So it would be 9:45. Got it? Add 15 minutes to 9:30. So it is then 9:45. Okay, fill in the missing time. Just look at the pattern. It is 1, then 15 minutes ahead, 1:15, then again 15 minutes. So each next time is 15 minutes ahead than the previous one. Got it? So you have to calculate the time right before the one. That means you have to calculate 15 minutes earlier than the one. So the time that is 15 minutes earlier than the one is 12:45. Got it? So the correct option is 12:45. So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, fill in the missing time. So which is the correct option? Each next time is each next time is 30 minutes ahead than the previous one. Got it? So which is the next one then? It is then 4. Got it? 3:30 and add 30 minutes, so it would be then 4. So select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So which is the next one? The next one is each next time is 1 hour ahead than the previous one. Got it? So that means it is 4. Got it? So the correct option is 4. Okay, fill in the missing time. So which time is missing? Each next time is 45 minutes ahead to the previous one. Got it? So that means the missing one is add 45 minutes to 2. So it would be 2:45. Got it? So the missing one is 2:45. Just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, fill in the missing time. So which time is missing? Each next time is 1 hour ahead than the previous one. So you have to calculate the time that is before 1. So which time is it? Go back 1 hour. Got it? So it would be 12. So the correct option is 12. Fill in the missing time. 6, 6:30, 7:30, 7, 7:30. So which is the next one? So the next one is 8. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay. Fill in the missing time. 1:30 to 2:30. So which is missing? It is 3. Got it? Very good. So the missing one is 3. Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Okay, fill in the missing time. So which time is missing? Each next time is 45 minutes ahead than the previous one. Got it? So the right next for 245 minutes to 7:15 is 8. Got it? The next one is 8. Okay, okay, we have left with just one. Okay, 12:45 1, missing number 1:31:45. So which time is missing? Each next time is 15 minutes ahead than the previous one. Got it? So 1 and then 15 minutes later it is 1:15. Got it? Just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Fill in the missing time. So which time is missing? Each next time is 15 minutes ahead. So just go back 15 minutes to 10:30. So it is then 10:15. Got it? Okay, we have done with our test. Let's just move on to the next lesson. And the next lesson is find start and end time word problems. Okay, find start and end time word problems. Okay, okay, here is the next lesson. Find start and end time word problems. Okay, the bookstore opens at 8 a.m. It closes 10 hours and 45 minutes later. Later, what time does the bookstore close? So the start time is 8. Got it? You have to add 10 hours and 45 minutes to 8. Got it? When you add 10 hours to 8, it is 6. Then you have to add 45 minutes. So that means the store closes at 6:45. Got it? Okay. The next one is Harry and Tara decided to play a round of golf. They started the first hole at 11:30 and they finished the last hole 4 hours and 30 minutes later. So just add 4 hours to 11. 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. Right after the 4 hours it is 3 and add 30 minutes. So 30 and 30. You already have 30 minutes in 11. So 38, 31. So it would be then 11, 12, 1, 2, 3. That means it ends at 4. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions because we have to add the time. So let's see how can we add the time. Okay, the first one is Shirin rode the train from Atlanta to New York City. The train left Atlanta at 20 past 2. Got it? 20 past 2. So it is 2:20. That is the start time. It took 18 hours and 25 minutes to get to the New York City. Got it? You have to add 18 hours and 25 minutes. What time was it when Shireen got off the train in the New York? So add 18 hours to 2. Got it? So it will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 8. It is 8 and add 20 minutes and 40. It would be 8:45. So the time he got off the train, it is 8:45. Let's see which is the, that is option number B. Got it? So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. Option B is the correct option. So just select the correct option, then click on the OK button. A is the correct one. 40 minute and 20 minute, 20 past 2. Wait, let me just see. 2:20, it would 45. 20, oh, it is 20. Yes, it is 8:40. Sorry. I added 25 minutes, so I thought it is 8:45, but it is 8:20. Got it? Okay. The next one is Christine started reading her new book at 11:35. It was so interesting that she couldn't put it down. She read the entire book at 1 hour and 20 minutes. What time is it when it was Christine finished reading? Okay, so he started at 11:35. So she couldn't put down. She read the book 1 hour 20 minutes. So just add 1 hour 20 minutes to 11:45. Got it? So it is then 11 and 1 12, and 35 minutes and plus 20 minutes is 55. So it would be then 25 12:55. Got it? Think your internet connection isn't working fine. Can you please check your internet connection? That would be 12:45. So which clause shows 12:45? The fourth one, D option. D is the correct one. Got it? Okay, the next one is Emily went shopping at the mall. She arrived the mall at 10 past 5. So it is, that means the start is 10:05. Got it? She visited shoe store, bookstore, electronic store and left the mall after 2 hours and 25 minutes. So what time was it when Emily left the mall? Add 2 to 10, so it would be 12, and 25 plus 5 is 30. That means she left the mall at 12:30. Got it? Hmm. Emily went shopping at the mall. She arrived at the mall at 10 past 5. She visited the store, arrived the bookstore, and after she had 2 hours and 25 minutes. So you have to add 2 hour 25 minutes. So it will be 12:30. What's wrong with the question? Okay. 10 past 5. Sorry. 10 past 5, not 5 past 10. Sorry. It is 10 past 5. So that means she arrived at the mall is, the time is 5:10. Got it? She visited the, okay, you have to add 2 hours and 25 minutes. Got it? So it would be then 7:35. Got it? 10 past 5, she visited 2 hours and 25 minutes. So it is 7:35. Hmm. Okay, let me just. So she arrived at 5:10 at 2 hour 20 minutes. Or 7:30 it is. I am adding 2 hour 25 minutes. Got it? But 2 hours and 25 minutes I have to add. So it would be then, I don't know what's wrong with these questions. And they added 20 minutes. So the clock shows 7:35. 30, it is 7:35. But okay. Okay, the next one is Spencer decided to write a letter to his grandmother. He began writing at 6:30. Got it? It looks like it took it took it took 25 minutes to write the letter. Got it? What time is it when Spencer finished the letter? Got it? So he started at 6:30. That means 6:30. So it took 25 minutes. Just add 25 minutes. So it would be 6:55. Got it? It is 5 to 7. Got it? The correct option is the last option. 6:55 means 5 to 7. So that is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the test by yourself later today. Let me just move on to the next lesson. Got it? The next lesson is elapsed time. Elapsed time. Okay, look at the clock. What time will it be in 1 hour and 15 minutes? Write your answer using numbers and colons. Okay, here is the clock. The clock shows 11:35. Got it? The clock shows 11:35. So, what time will it be at 1 hour 15 minutes? So just add. It is 12:50. That means right after 1 hour 15 minutes, the clock shows the time 12:50. Got it? Okay. Look at the clock. What time will it be in 1 hour 45 minutes? Okay, the clock shows 10:35. Got it? 11:35 it is. Got it? You have to add 1 hour 45 minutes. So just add. It would be, it shows 12:20. Got it? You have the clock shows 10:35. So when you add 1 hour 45 minutes to 10:35, it would be then 12 hour 20 minutes. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Look at this clock. What time will it be in 1 hour 50 minutes? So it would be 8:15 it is. Add 1 hour 50 minutes. So it is 5:05. 5 and 1 6. That means just 5 minutes. Add carry. 8, 9 and 10. It would be 10:05. Got it? because in 1 hour you have 60 minutes. So right after 60 minutes, you have to add 1 to hours. So it would be then 10:05. Got it? So just select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, the next one is look at the clock. What time will it be in 1 hour 15 minutes? The clock shows 11:35. 15 minutes, 5 and 5, 10, 3 and 1, 50, and 11 and 1 is 12. That means 1 hour 15 minutes later, the clock shows 12:50. Got it? So select the correct option and click on the OK button. Okay, look at this clock. So the clock shows the time 8:35 it is. What time it will be at 1 hour 5 minutes? So it would after 1 hour 5 minutes it shows 9:40. Got it? The correct option is 9:40. The next one is look at the clock. The clock shows 6. What time will it be after 55 minutes? So it is 6:55. Got it? After 55 minutes. Look at the clock. What time it will be in 1 hour and 50 minute? So add 1 hour 50 minute to 11. So it would be then 12:50. Got it? Look at the clock. 4:35 it is. You have to add 55 minutes. 4:35 add 55 minutes. So it would be 5 and 5, 10, 0, 1 carry. 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 9. So you have to carry 1. 30 minutes and it would be 5:30. Got it? So 5:30 it is. Okay, the next one is look at the clock. Clock shows 11:35. Got it? You have to add 1 hour 45 minutes. So 5 and 5, 0, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 60, 20 minutes here, and add 1, 11 and 12 and 1. It would be 120. Got it? When you add the minutes, it would be 0, 80 minutes. Got it? So in 1 hour, you have 60 minutes. So add the hour to next, and you're left with 20, 60 plus 20. So 20 here, and you carried that 1 hour to the hours. Got it? So it would be then 120. Got it? Okay. The next one is 12:20. No, it is 120. Got it? Not 120. The correct option is 120. Look at this time. The time is 3:50. Got it? You have to add 1 hour 30 minutes. So it is again 80 minutes. You can write 20 here and carry 1 hour. 3, 4, and 5. It is 5:20. Got it? Okay, we have done with the test. So You have to complete all the tests for the lessons we did today. So here is a list of the lessons we have covered today. We're working on grade 5 maths. The chapter name is time. So we have done with time zones, time patterns, find start and end time, word problems, and elapsed times. So please make sure you have to complete all the test questions for the lessons we did today. If you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Got it? Or either you can join me in the interactive session that is daily from 4 to 4:45. Got it? Okay, bye.